actually got two lucky bags. One of them is a Deluxe Pokemon lucky bag, and the other one is a I don't know if I said that right, Sugoi Mart lucky bag. I'll link down below where I got these lucky bags. I got them off Sugoi Mart, and this is probably going to be two separate videos because these are two different bags. So let's get started. Here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. So which one should we do first? We'll do the Deluxe Pokemon lucky bag. So I think that one's yellow, but I'm not sure, but let me grab it. Oh, yep, this is it. So here's the place where I got them. Okay, so here it is listed online. As you can see, $75. It says you can collect 10 of the following items, and it lists possible stuff you could get inside. And yeah, just tell you all about it. All right, well here we go. Pokemon lucky bag. Whoa! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Wow! So the first thing I see. Okay, so the first thing we got is a Dragonair. Wow, he's so cute. And also, this is all licensed Pokemon merch, so keep that in mind. Okay, what's next? Wow. So it looks like this is a double-sided marker. Bold. Whoa! Whoa! That's so awesome! So it looks like we got a Pokeball with a little Pokemon inside. Oh, it's so cute! So it looks like this is a slap bracelet. Ow! Oh, wow! Little Pokemon snacks! Looks like there might be a special card inside. Wow! So awesome! A little figgy. Ooh, this one's kind of heavy. Not really sure what this is. So it looks like this is a little Pokemon shopping basket. Like a little miniature one with the handles. With Pikachu. And I think this is a bath bomb inside, but I'm not completely sure. It looks like it might be. Whoa! Whoa! Looks like we got some Pokemon cards! Wow! Awesome! It looks like we got a reusable Pokemon shopping bag! And this one looks like some type of candy! It kind of looks like chocolate. Ooh. Cute. It's a little bag, like a little coin purse or something. Alright, so that concludes this bag. As you can see, we got a lot of awesome stuff. Okay, so now let's talk about if it's worth it or So that is a lot of money. But, the items, I really think it's worth it. Because some of these items, they cost a lot. So I do think it's worth it because it's so awesome and I love it. I'm going to play with all of it. So if you really like Pokemon, this might be worth it for you. So I'll link this down below in case you want to look at it. And, yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to be unboxing, the other bag too. That one right there. I'll be unboxing that in my next video. So stay tuned and I'll post that. I might even link it down below. And, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!